Right now I'm playing a game on my phone because this is what I'm going to use to try and make money online. What's up Digital Monsters, it's Thomas here, and in this video I'm going to try out this side hustle that claims that you can make $89 for every single level that you complete on a game. If you've ever come across a method like this, or even if you haven't, I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know and if we can make money with this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and the method works like this. First you need to open your phone.
Toi, toi, toi.
Then I needed to open my browser. It's getting difficult. Okay, so this is the app that I need to download. So I'm gonna install it and open it. Okay, so I need to be 18 plus, and last time I checked I am. Okay, so right away I'm getting tickets. Hopefully it's a plane ticket because I need a vacation. Okay, so right here is where the magic happens. So right here at the play section, I have game missions and I can basically earn tickets. And with those tickets I can make money. Sounds easy enough, right? So let's just play one. So I'm gonna click on play right here. It's loading the game. What's this? Survive for 7 seconds. Okay, count. One. Oh! I'm getting distracted already and I have completed my mission. So I'm just gonna die. And that's it. I can even multiply my tickets right here. So I can claim the 144, multiply my tickets. I mean, why not? What do I need to do? Okay, so I just need to watch an ad. Okay, so it immediately just goes to the next mission. I'm just gonna press on X because I want to go further in the app and see what it's all about. Okay, so I've already earned more tickets. And I'm just gonna watch another ad because why not? I don't have anything else to do with my life. It's the same ad. I'm watching another ad. The ad libs on this is insane. It's not even... They don't even try. Okay, so those are the game missions. So right now if I scroll below, it also seems to have tournaments. So right here, oh okay. So I first need to unlock on level 7. So I first need to get to level 7 and then I can also play in tournaments. So if I rank higher, I'm also going to get more tickets. So it shows right here we have already completed this mission. So right now my hopes aren't high, but if this doesn't work out, I am going to tell you how you can make money online by playing games for real. So let's see what else is here. The other thing that he was talking about was prizes. So right here there is a weekly draw and a prize pool of $820. So if I just click on see the rewards. Okay, so basically you can just enter this and it's like a sort of lottery where you buy a lottery ticket and then you basically have a chance to win money. But it's also right here, so one ticket is one chance to win. So it just basically means like how much tickets you are going to enter, that's, you know, you get a higher chance of getting the money. So it's essentially a bit like a pay to win. Then right here is also win the jackpot. So I can enter for an advertisement. So I'm just going to enter. Okay, so now I need to pick my 5 numbers. Okay, I have 4 limbs. I'm 21. I was born in the 5th month. I've cried about 12 times last night. I have about 48 reasons to go to bed and I have 2 heads. Continue. Okay, so this is what I've picked. So I just need to watch an ad right now and enter. Okay, so you also have a second chance and a third chance, and basically you have a chance to win $10,000. Same as with, you know, the normal lottery. It's probably not going to happen. So there also is a daily leaderboard right here, and you can basically make money by earning the most amount of tickets in the day. And then whoever has earned the most tickets will get the most money. Then there are also a couple of lucky games. And there even is a fortune wheel. So let's just spin. I mean, why not? I earned $1. I mean, I didn't expect that. Watching another ad. And I've won 10 cents. Okay, so from what I can see, it's basically all luck based. So how do I win cash? You have the weekly draw, the leaderboard, the lucky games, the lotto game, you can invite friends, there's a fortune wheel, and there's a wheel of cash. So basically what you need to do is you basically need to get as much tickets as possible. With those tickets you can win prizes. So right here, you can win prizes from those tickets, and that's how you make the money. So it's not you play the game and you make money, it's you play the game, you get tickets, and those tickets will give you a chance to win money. So it's basically just all luck based. So do I think this method works? No, I mean, we don't even come close to $89 per level that we complete. I mean, I have earned a total of $1.10, and that was basically just based on luck. Also, when I go back and look at it, my guess is that because I've just downloaded the game, they want me to get on the game and want me to get excited, which is what you'll see in a lot of games. Like, you get a lot of rewards within the first couple of days that you're playing the game. But right now I am going to tell you how you can make money by playing games for real. It's not what you're going to want to hear, but it works. So if we take a closer look on what works and what people are making money by playing games, and let's say we take a look at the Sidemen, for example. Now, they don't just play games anymore, they have a lot of real life videos. But back in the day, they only used to play games. And the way they would make their money is basically from YouTube ad revenue. Later on, they decided to create merches and all kinds of brands in order to make even more money. So how can you make money for real by playing games? The only way in my eyes is if you are a professional game developer, so you're developing those games, you are a professional game tester, so you are a professional gamer and you are testing games for big companies, or you have a YouTube channel, you do streaming on Twitch, YouTube, or whatever platform you're using, and you are using sponsorships, you are selling merch, you are selling your own products as a bonus, as an addition to the YouTube revenue. But in my eyes, that's the only way that you are going to make a lot of money by playing games. But that is hard work and you're not going to get success overnight. But that's the only way that works for real. With these type of apps and websites, you can make money, but it's just not going to be a lot. I wish I could tell you that it was, but it just isn't. And a while back, I posted 30 AI YouTube videos on a brand new YouTube channel to find out if I can make a successful YouTube channel by just using AI. So if you're interested in that video, you can go watch it right here. But for now, I'm going to wish you a great day and I'll see you in the next video.